When I got out of the Coast Guard, I really wanted to find a company that I could work with that would share core values that I learned in the Coast Guard, like integrity and honesty. I joined in 2002. I wanted to save lives. I thought that was more important than making money. The team here is veteran-owned and operated mainly, and we follow that system. It's important for us to feel like we're facilitating the customer in an honest manner. Similar to the military, we have a chain of command. We have a great operations department, and the owners are very thorough in keeping us in tune to what the customer's needs are. I'm very proud to be a member of that. The transition was surprisingly smooth for me, and I really don't see myself as a sales representative as much as a facilitator for a product that people want. Like any other technology, it's not moving backwards. It's just getting more and more popular and becoming more of the standard than the alternative. And this gives me the opportunity to give people a great product. We're very proud of American products here. I don't want anybody that I meet with, any of my customers, to feel like they're getting a disservice. We're never leaving anybody in the dark. We're not cutting any corners. We're very diligent in our work, and we're going to try to be as expedient as well, because we know a lot of people want their solar up and running. And the products themselves are just better technology. They're constructed in different manners that produce more efficiency, more wattage. We want to offer the best of that, so that's what we're doing right now. Brandon Coleman, United States Coast Guard, Health Service Technician, 3rd class, and a sales representative for Semper Solaris Solar.